Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Alisha, and in this channel I basically do beauty and makeup related videos, and sometimes I do vlogging and challenges videos as well, but now I am focusing more towards beauty and makeup related videos. So if you are going for that kind of vibes, then please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And for today's video, I have created this soft all matte kind of look. I created this look using TaTi Beauty Palette. This is a very good palette. So if you guys want to know how I created this look using that palette, then please keep on watching. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. Hope you guys like it. I have created all matte look today, just simple and subtle. How do you guys like it? Please let me know. And yeah, if you guys liked my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.